Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is GHOSTBOND XL Hair Replacement Adhesive. This GHOSTBOND XL adhesive, imported from Ireland, is made especially for keeping your hair replacement system secure. It's like a special glue that gently sticks them to your skin and scalp. We've done lots of research and testing to make sure it's really good quality and safe to use. With our advanced adhesion technology, it provides maximum hold even in tough situations like excessive sweating, extreme moisture, and high temperatures. Our GHOSTBOND XL adhesive is specially made for people with oily skin and scalps, or if you sweat a lot. It even works great in places with lots of moisture and humidity. It gives a strong hold, so you don't have to worry about your lace front wigs or toupees coming off. Our adhesive is suitable for oily skin, effectively masking yellow sebum excretion and protecting against skin oils or wetness. When you wear a wig or toupee, you want to feel confident and not worry about it moving or falling off. That's why our bonding glue is water resistant, so it won't come off if it gets wet. It's also resistant to natural skin oils, keeping your hair in place and looking and feeling natural. Our adhesive is shower safe, so you can confidently step into the shower without worrying about your hair system losing its bond. Our second best lace frontal glue is Goiple Wig Glue Lace Glue. The lace tint spray set included 1 PC 3.4 fluid ounces lace melting spray, 1 PC 2.7 ounces hair wax stick plus 1 PC 1.05 ounces edge control, 2 PC elastic band for wigs plus 1 PC 1.34 fluid ounces wig glue, 1 PC 1 fluid ounce wig glue remover, 1 PC edge control brush. Fully equipped with tools. Our lace adhesive spray gives you long-lasting results, so your lace wig stays in perfect condition all day long. It lasts from 1 to 5 days and only requires a quick daily touch-up. The texture of this wig adhesive spray is watery, and the spray comes out as a very fine mist, so it dries quickly, saving you time and allowing you to easily create a satisfying wig look in a short time. Our wig glue spray will become a transparent texture after drying, with a wig after a very natural impression, completely invisible wig glue traces, so you are more confident. When you use our hair glue spray, the lace wig will attach seamlessly to your skin and hair and will not come off even when you sweat, have an oily face or come into contact with water, as it is waterproof and oil resistant. Third in our list is EBIN New York Wonder Lace Bond. The lace wig adhesive to secure the wig down. Ultimate lace wig glue that delivers worry-free comfort for weeks and guarantees the seamless blending of the lace frontal on the skin for natural look. Extra holding finish look that lasts not only all day but all week, so you can go about your day without worrying about your wigs being in place lifting. Mega strength meets affordability. Our lace wig adhesive applies white but dries clear for natural seamless application. The quick dry of the glue ensures quick application that lasts all week. Formulated to be waterproof, oil resistant and perspiration resistant to make sure your wig stays on and put. Our glue can hold your wig through oily skin and scalp, as well as heavy perspiration or high humidity. Not only are product latex free, it is also cruelty free and vegan, meaning you can slay your wig while being conscious. Number 4 in our best lace frontal glue list is Luxfume Wig Glue. This lace wig glue waterproof provides an unbeatable hold, ensuring that your wig stays in place all day long. With our specially formulated waterproof lace glue for wigs, you can confidently go about your daily activities without worrying about any embarrassing slips or shifts. Our advanced formula creates a seamless and undetectable bond between your natural hairline and the lace front glue. The result? A natural-looking hairline that seamlessly blends with your own hair, invisible and transparent, without glue marks, giving you a realistic and natural appearance. Our waterproof hair glue is white when applied and clear when dry. It is very convenient to use due to its cutting-edge design. But this lace front glue is designed to protect the scalp. It is a little slow to dry and needs to be dried with a hair dryer to become sticky, while the easy-to-remove formula ensures a gentle and painless removal, without causing any damage to your natural hair or wigs. Our hair glue adhesive is made with tremella, aloe and other natural ingredients, ensuring that it is gentle on your scalp and does not cause any irritation or discomfort. Lace wig glue has no pungent odor. Rest assured, our products are cruelty-free, animal testing-free. Our last pick is Luxfume Wig Glue. A very portable wax stick for hair that effectively smooths out frizz and gives your hair a smoother, shinier look. Also, whether your curls are coiled, kinky or loose, you can use this edge control for black hair to blend nicely with the edges of your hair. Hair oils for hair growth have unique organic ingredients that repair, helps speed up hair growth and replenishes the scalp's natural oils, which are essential for hair growth. Our scalp protector spray is specially designed for your skin to avoid the irritation caused by glue. It forms a protective film between the scalp and glue to improve the adhesion of wig lace in hot and humid weather. Our waterproof lace glue for wigs is safe to use on poly and lace and leaves the skin and wig naturally bonded after application. Also, our lace glue remover can easily remove adhesive residue from various cosmetic bonding products. Our wig band is used to melt your lace and hold your edges and baby hair. Our lace bands are soft and elastic, adjustable to fit most head sizes, and with an edge brush to comb your hair and splashes, you can easily get the perfect look.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!